Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and if you find yourself needing a lot of water very often inside of Subnautica 2, you're not quite sure if there's an alternative way to get water that's a little bit easier and you can farm without having to constantly hunt for a new source of these water slugs if you're running out in a specific area, then I have an easy early game tip for you. Inside of your base, once you get the processor here, inside the processor, if you actually scroll down, because there is a scroll bar, down here at the bottom, there is an option to make water in the alternate recipe section using Fibrous Pulp. You can just select that and start processing a whole bunch of water all at the same time, and you can keep a bunch of pulp around if you need. And pulp, of course, you know, can be harvested from pretty much any plant in the area. These little cradle shoot roots can give you pulp. You can go inside of these tunnels and you can find the feather coral, these red ones, and they produce a lot of pulp. Get that red feather kelp. And pretty much everything can give you lots and lots of water, so you don't have to go scrounging for slugs anymore. And maybe we can stop from denuding the entire slug ecosystem every time you want to play for more than 30 minutes at a time. So I hope you found that early game tip helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and definitely stay hydrated.